Air conditioning and refrigeration systems have been an incredible boom to the growth of our country. But with that has come some problems of unwanted buildup of slime and sludge as the water extracted from the air lies stagnant in air conditioning condensate pans. If you've ever seen the damage that a backed up drain line or overflowing condensate pan from an air conditioner, well, it's not a pretty sight. And repairing the damage to walls, ceilings, furniture, and floors can be expensive. The solution to keeping commercial condensate pans clean can either be a daunting task or an easy one. Rather than manually having to remove and clean an air conditioning condensate pan, sometimes having to dismantle the unit itself, all one needs do is to treat the pan with a tablet. The tablet is designed to chemically clean the pan. As these tablets dissolve, they plate the condensate pans and drain lines with InvisioGuard. Pan gel is a unique product in that once they are placed in the pan gel locks itself in place and slowly dissolves, providing continuous and aggressive pan protection using 88 formulation for up to 6 months in most cases. Our chemical products are computer room safe and are used by countless hospitals, hotels, motels, apartment and office buildings, schools, nursing homes, and other industrial buildings. When used properly and regularly, our tablets can help prevent future problems, costly repairs, and added maintenance.